The Fulwin T9's trunk capacity reaches 2065 liters with the second and third rows folded, making it the only true 5+2-seater in its class with such a flexible and spacious interior. While folding the second and third rows is standard in many vehicles, it's relatively rare in the 100,000 to 150,000 renminbi price range. Popular models in the same segment, such as the BYD Hiace 06 and Song L, don't offer a 7-seater option. The T9 definitely has a significant advantage in terms of space flexibility. Furthermore, the Fengyun T9 seats include a queen seat, with ventilation, heating, and massage functions, a clear leader in its class. For safety, which is paramount, it utilizes 85% high-strength steel and 21% hot-formed steel. This ratio compares favorably with the body strength of many luxury models in the 300,000 renminbi price range. It's also equipped with the only remote-controlled airbag in its class and an IP68 waterproof battery pack. In comparison, BYD's Hiace 06 and Song L models are significantly weaker in terms of body strength, making them more dangerous in a collision. After all, safety is paramount, and having an extra layer of protection in the event of a traffic accident is always a good thing. It's worth noting that the entire series is equipped with the Kunpeng Super Hybrid CDM 5.0, a standard 1.5T hybrid engine. Its maximum thermal efficiency reaches 44.5%, providing a significant advantage in its class. Compared to other best-selling models in the same segment, the Fengyun T9's turbocharged configuration delivers more power from a standstill and prevents stalling at high speeds, eliminating power concerns. Furthermore, it not only boasts impressive power but also offers an exceptional range. Pure electric range reaches up to 210 kilometers, while total range exceeds 1,400 kilometers. While this is slightly less than some BYD models, the difference is negligible and is easily offset by the increased power offered by the standard 1.5T engine. With its superior features and numerous purchasing advantages, the Fulwin T9 truly deserves its title as the king of value in the 100,000 to 150,000 yuan price range.